Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Resistance Dog token. Ticker symbol is REDO. Now this token is on the TON blockchain, and the TON blockchain has been pretty popular lately with meme coins. This one is trending number 8 in the TON section on Dex Screener. Very popular project. I've seen it trending a lot on Dex Screener in the top 10. We're going to go over the information on the Resistance Dog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at redoton.com. So redo.com, and that is short for Resistance Dog. On there you can find a Telegram, Twitter. Looks like a, I'm not sure if this is a document. Well, let's open that up. Gecko terminal link. And they have a how to buy section. So it says here, first of all, you would need a wallet to store TON tokens. So the most popular one is probably the TON Keeper wallet. You would fund that wallet with TON after you download TON Keeper. You'd fund your TON Keeper wallet with TON, and you can do that from a central exchange, and there is a bunch of central exchange links in the description box down there. So you fund your wallet with TON, then you would go into the dApps, and you would either find Ston.Fi or Dedust, and then you would trade your TON for the Resistance Dog token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, redoton.com. It says here about bridge from any chain to TON network. Use RocketX or fixed float or a central exchange. So besides the central exchanges, if you want to use RocketX or fixed float, they'll tell you how to do that on their webpage. So also here they have it looks like a white paper. They call it a meme paper. But basically, it goes to an acrobatadobe.com link, and that's going to have all the information there. So it says, Resistance Dog was created by an anonymous developer on the TON chain January 9th, 2024. So it's an older project, but still trending almost daily in the TON section. I've even seen knockoff tokens or, spin-off tokens like Resistance Cat and stuff like that. So it says, while the developer chose to renounce the contract address and burn the initial liquidity, thereby making Redo a safe token, he, she, or they decided not to pursue the development of the token. However, a community of like-minded enthusiasts, tired of bad actors in the crypto space and excited about the idea of the digital resistance and ethos of the Redo token, a truly decentralized platform that has digital freedom, decided to take matters into their own hands. So basically a community takeover. The Redo community brought together by its common goal, that is to provide a safe space to other members of the TON community to help spread the message of digital resistance, whilst also reaching a higher degree of adoption of TON chain as a viable cryptocurrency network for builders and traders alike, decided to continue its efforts to elevate Redo into the number 1 meme token on the TON chain. So I don't know if they've reached number 1, but they're doing very well. The vision of digital resistance was originally conceived by Telegram and TON chain's founder Pavel Durov in 2018 through the creation of a dog in a hood, aka the Resistance Dog. So they go over basically the whole story about this dog and everything like that, and that's what you could read on their paper here. We don't need to go over all that. But it says here there is 0% taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Ston.Fi or Dedust, you probably will not have to worry about slippage. It says max total supply, 100 million tokens. It says contract renounced, initial LP burnt. So it says, please note that the community is capable of adding liquidity by way of external liquidity pools, and such community providers may, in their own discretion, choose to lock and or burn the same. Then they have a Linktree, Linktree/Redo on Ton. You can check that out. Now their Telegram has 25,496 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That is at Redo Token on Telegram, so check that out as well. It says here, Tokenomics contract renounced. On their webpage, they have links to DEX tools, DEX screener, the contract address. They have an email, admin@redoton.com in case you need to reach out. So basically, this token has a market cap of $79.6 million. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They're up 5% today in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $342,000. Token price is around 79.6 cents per token right now. Trending number 8 right now on DEX Screener. And they have $2.8 million in liquidity in Ston.Fi. So it says here this pair was created on Ston.Fi 6 months, 4 days ago. So that's how new the token is. It's not like super new or anything like that. So this is a hand-drawn picture by the Ton Telegram founder Pavel Durov, representation of resistance against internet censorship. And on DEX Screener, there's a chat you can get involved with if you want to chat about the token. Lastly, I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen here as usual. It says they're followed by Coinex Global. So maybe this token, I'm pretty sure I did see it available on Coinex Global. There is a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have a Coinex Global account. But most likely you can get it off that exchange there if you're looking to get this token as well. That might be an easier way than doing what I explained earlier. They do have the contract address right there on the Twitter though. Link to their webpage and Telegram are right there. 349 tweets, blue verified checkmark, 33,700 Twitter followers. And this Twitter just joined in April 2024. So I'm assuming this would be the community takeover Twitter because it's not 6 months old. But anyways, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the referral codes down there. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.